Hello guys, I hope you all are having a fantastic day in Roblox. Today I am filming a video. Oh, I have someone here, my pet can take it. Oh yeah, by the way, this is another pet daycare episode. And this is not a scam daycare, of course. No, great fan. Your pet. So yeah, this is my pet daycare. Here's the bathing area. Here's the upstairs part. All we have to do is put the cat inside the bed and make sure it has good rest. No. And really, this is kind of just a voice reveal, but the animal's sick, so let's go. Now, let's get to work, kind of. Exit home. We're just gonna exit home. And we're gonna give you, yeah, we'll give you some wood. And we're gonna use my favorite vehicle. Height hoverboard. We're gonna get this girl a kitchen. This. Behind Yeah, girl. Okay? Just yeah. It's for free, girl. Let me trade it for you. Now, this is my first Adopt Me video, so today we are going to do a couple things. We are going to try getting my penguin up to full grown so we can make a neon. We need 16 of them. Oh yeah, and guys, this is totally not scammed. All this stuff is not scammable. I can show you my rules later inside the video. I am maxed on friends, guys, so you cannot accept my friend request, but I will follow you all gratefully, fans. I do want a couple things, but in life, you don't get anything. And life is truthful. I'm the truth. A lot of YouTubers spend Robux, but I work for mine, except for that pet that you just saw me buy. I work for a lot of my pets. Most of these pets are I got from trading. It's really hard life. I can show you my inventory. I have a golden penguin, a golden rat, a griffin, a coyote, a lily bee, 5 penguins, my lucky panda, that was my first pet ever, and life is just really hard for everything. Life is not always fair. So that's why I work for most of my things. And life is very hard, and everything is super hard in life. I work for my money. I do everything for myself. And really hard, I work really hard, super duper hard. I mean, I work super duper hard. And everything I work for is for good. I never scam. I've only scammed a couple times in my life. But that's because my cousin makes me. And sadly, I'm not doing a face reveal. I'm not ready to have my face out there. So she's leaving. That's really sad. Well, we're gonna wrap up this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye!